All right, what we're going to do is show what happens in Open Athens when a user signs in to their account first, and then they search for a resource. So we're going to look for this electronic resource. This is one of our local resources that we own. And so I'm logged in, and the user is going to click full text available at Gale Cengage Virtual Reference Library. And that's going to take you to the sign in to your account. I'm on my computer, so that's why it automatically fills in my information. But they would go ahead and type in their Gordon State user ID and password, and then click sign in. And then that'll take you to the resource. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just log out, and we're going to do the same thing as a guest. And I just cleared my cache. So come on now, log out. Alright, so we're not signed in, so that means we're searching as a guest. And I'm going to search for one of the Ambrose videos. Which is, let's see, should be number 5 if my computer would scroll down. Let's see. There we go. Alright, so we're going to look for this one. It says full text available at Ambrose Video. And this is what happens. So again, if you're logged in as guest, you're going to get to this screen. It's going to prompt you for your Gordon State username and password. So basically, either way you do it, whether you log in beforehand or you are just using GuildFind as a guest, you still have to get to that screen where it prompts you for your Gordon State credentials. And then you can play the video.